What's your full name?
My name is Maanas Mediratta, and I am the CEO at Bridge Media.
Okay, and what do you do? I mean, you've said the title of your company, but what is it?
For sure. So I'm actually a repeat entrepreneur. I've built many companies in the past and sold them. I've had a couple of successful exits as well. And this venture, which is 3 years old, has this ambition of creating digital workers for content marketing. We want to become that go-to platform for any team that wants to build content marketing functions can use our platform to create digital workers before acquiring any other software.
What does that mean? If you know, could you break it down just a little bit?
Absolutely. With AI, I think it's important to be as specific as possible. So we've launched a platform where we've created 9 agents that do different jobs to be done that a content marketer would do, from sourcing content to planning it, to analyzing it, to increasing its performance, doing A/B tests. And we've created 9 agents that might be back-end agents or customer-facing agents that you can create, specialize, and make them talk to your existing tools using our platform.
Okay, I understand. What is your, well, the next question is what is your product, but I think you've kind of answered that. And what are its concrete applications, like real world, why would I use it or why would...
For sure. No. So our vision is to create those digital workers for content marketing, but right now we're very focused on media and events. So we have 50 plus media and event companies that are subscribed to our platform that use the agents that we have built, customize, experiment and scale within their organization. So it is essentially a control panel for any AI team, and that's what is usually our buyer, which are AI teams that are looking to implement and create ROI out of their AI initiatives. In one place, they can have a control panel where they can think about different agents, experiment, scale, analyze, and so on and so forth.
How has the public reacted to your innovation?
It's been interesting, but I think a lot stems from our core principles. One of the core principles is human in the loop. We are not here to eliminate workers, we are here to augment workers. So every team that we work with has actually hired more people to manage growth with the AI agents that they are able to get. And as I said, we have strong principles of integrity, human in the loop, that AI should essentially augment what teams are currently doing. So we've had many teams that have had the reception of fear, right? That we're going to replace some of their jobs. But eventually, after a couple of months, when they see the proof of concept, they start working with it, more and more teams have actually sort of, fought to become the owners of our product. So we've seen a lot of excitement when actual ROI and value is demonstrated.
Cool. ChatGPT is now 3 years old. We're moving past the initial wave of disruption it caused, shifting from novelty to real utility. What direction is tech heading in now, in your opinion?
So I have very strong views about it, and I think it is reflected across different leaders that have had a take on it. I feel we're going to evolve into that world where humans who interacted with software and software as a service, whether it's in premise or in cloud, to humans interacting with AI agents, where AI will be incorporated in a way that humans will not just ask tasks such as update this record. It will be more about autonomous tasks that they can do, and even have, as I was saying, human in the loop to make sure that the workflows are respected and the kind of approvals are respected. So I feel the world in very short, in the next 5 years, is going to move from humans working with softwares to human interacting with AI agents and developing their own AI agents as a competitive advantage in the way they build it and scale it.
Okay, what's your feedback on this particular summit?
It's very interesting. I think it's a blend of a lot of different types of people that have come in. I've spoken at many AI summits, in AI Summit New York, London, but this one is different from the point of view of it's not very much similar kind of crowd, developers coming in or people who are very much embedded into product coming in. I have met people who are entrepreneurs, designers, product leaders, and even ops people that are looking at AI. So I think the variety and the breadth of the functions and the kind of industry is refreshing. While you can make an argument that it reduces the specialization, it also increases the ability to innovate and learn from others.
What's your nationality?
I was born and bred in Delhi, India.
Just for the next question, in your opinion, what makes Barcelona a privileged hub for the tech world? Why is Barcelona particularly interesting?
I think Barcelona, if you've been here, you probably wouldn't need the answer to that. I think the kind of feeling it gives to me personally is amazing. The kind of nature opportunities it has, from having sea in one place to the mountain in a 10-minute distance, is quite amazing. And I think it's just the energy as well, where the energy is not about just hustling. It's also about being social. It's about, you know, building relationships and having that human element there. And I think that personally I relate to, and more people are relating to. And that's why I think it has a huge potential.
And just finally, is there anything you kind of see as somebody who's within the AI world? Is there anything you kind of see that people aren't focusing on, or that you kind of worry about, or, you know, like, can you see a wave coming, or do you know what I mean? Like, just a personal insight.
No, I think doing AI for just optics is a big pitfall that companies, individuals, whoever is working with AI should avoid. Unless you are taking AI as a means to an end, AI will always be a distraction. So AI has to always create ROI and be a means to an end, and not be the end that you're chasing. That for me is definitely the takeaway from what I've learned over the last 2 years.
Perfect. Thank you very much.